In this video, I am going to show you how to unpair your Fire Stick remote in case you want to pair it with a different Fire Stick or resolve connectivity issues. Let's get started. First, ensure your Fire Stick is powered on and connected to your TV. Grab the remote you want to unpair and remove the batteries from it. Wait for about 10 to 15 seconds before reinserting them. Once the batteries are back in, press and hold the back button and the right directional button simultaneously for about 5 to 10 seconds. You should see an LED light on the remote flash briefly, indicating that it has been reset and unpaired from the Fire Stick. If you're using a voice remote with Alexa, you can also unpair it by going to the Fire Stick's settings. Navigate to Settings, Controllers and Bluetooth Devices, Amazon Remote, and select Forget Remote. This will disconnect the remote from the device. After unpairing, you can pair the remote with another Fire Stick by pressing any button, and it will automatically reconnect. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tips. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide makes managing your Fire Stick remote easier. Don't forget to share this video with others who might find it useful.